to basics lang po. I've done this so many times. Itong panyo, parang handkerchief, ano po? Napakaliit na bagay, pero teaches us a lesson. Now, pakitesting nga yung faith ninyo. Naniniwala ba kayo na ito ay tatayo? Amen? Believe. Mukhang mahina ang pananampalataya ng mga tao. The handkerchief will stand. Amen? Amen? One more time. The handkerchief will stand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ayun. Tumayo. Ano pong lesson nito, mga kapatid? You know, napakandang paalala ng pandemic. Yung mga iba sabi nila noon, di naman kailangan ng Diyos, basta mayaman ako, may pera. Look what happens. What the pandemic tells us. Wala rin eh. Sikat ka, may connection ka, look what happens if you don't have God. Yung family mo, may pera, etc., pero wala kayong dasal, walang samahan, yan. Paalaala lang po, mga kapatid. We need someone to hold us so we can stand. Ito po yung kapit sa taas. And this is all I like to remind all of us today.